The spectacled bear, scientifically known as Tremarctos ornatus, is a fascinating creature, unique in its appearance and behavior. This bear, indigenous to South America, is not just a wildlife wonder, but also an emblem of the Andean region's rich biodiversity. This article aims to unravel the mysteries of the spectacled bear, exploring 20 interesting and fun facts about these remarkable animals that will keep you engaged and interested. One of the most distinctive features of the spectacled bear is the markings on its face. The bear's common name comes from these markings, which often resemble a pair of eyeglasses, giving it a spectacled appearance. These markings are unique to each bear, much like fingerprints in humans, and range in color from beige to ginger. This feature sets them apart visually from any other bear species in the world. Spectacled bears are relatively smaller compared to other bear species. Adult males typically weigh between 220 to 340 pounds, while females are smaller, weighing around 140 to 180 pounds. This size difference between males and females, known as sexual dimorphism, is less pronounced in spectacled bears compared to other bear species. These bears are predominantly arboreal. Their strong, curved claws are well adapted for climbing trees. This arboreal nature allows them to forage for food in the trees, where they eat fruits, leaves, and sometimes even woodbark. The spectacled bear's climbing skills are crucial for its survival, especially in the dense forests of the Andes. The diet of the spectacled bear is primarily herbivorous, which is quite unusual for bears. They feed on a variety of plant materials, including fruits, berries, cactus, orchids, and bromeliads. However, they are also opportunistic feeders and will eat small mammals, birds, and insects when available. An intriguing aspect of the spectacled bear's biology is its reproductive habits. The female bears, or sows, give birth to 1 to 3 cubs at a time, typically in a den they have made in a secluded spot. The cubs are born blind and helpless, completely dependent on their mother for the first few months of their lives. Mother bears are fiercely protective of their cubs and will go to great lengths to ensure their safety. The cubs stay with their mother for about a year, during which time they learn essential survival skills. Despite their fierce reputation, spectacled bears are generally shy and avoid contact with humans. They are solitary creatures and prefer to live alone, except during mating season or when a mother is raising her cubs. Spectacled bears have an excellent sense of smell, which they use to locate food sources and communicate with other bears. This heightened sense is essential for their survival in the dense forests where visual cues are limited. These bears do not hibernate like their North American cousins. Due to the milder climate of their habitat and the availability of food sources year-round, they do not need to undergo a long period of sleep during the winter. Spectacled bears have a lifespan of about 20 years in the wild, though in captivity they can live longer. Factors such as habitat loss, human conflict, and availability of food greatly influence their lifespan in the wild. Their fur is thick and woolly, providing excellent insulation against the cooler temperatures of the high-altitude Andean forests. This fur is typically black or dark brown, with the distinctive lighter spectacled markings around their eyes. The spectacled bear is the only surviving species of the subfamily Tremarctinae, which once included several other types of short-faced bears. This makes them not only unique, but also vital from a conservation and evolutionary standpoint. They play a crucial role in their ecosystems as seed dispersers. By consuming fruits and other plant materials, they help in the spread of seeds throughout the forest, aiding in plant diversity and forest regeneration. Spectacled bears are proficient swimmers, although they do not typically inhabit regions with large bodies of water. They have been observed crossing rivers and streams with ease. Their territories can be quite extensive, with males having larger ranges than females. These territories often overlap with others, but due to their solitary nature, direct interactions between bears are rare outside of mating season. The spectacled bear has been a part of South American culture and folklore for centuries. In some cultures, they are revered and considered sacred animals. They often appear in local myths and legends, symbolizing various qualities like strength and wisdom. Human expansion and agriculture pose significant threats to the spectacled bear's habitat. Deforestation and habitat fragmentation have led to a decline in their population, making them a vulnerable species. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these bears and their habitats. This includes establishing protected areas, conducting research on their ecology and behavior, and working with local communities to promote coexistence. Despite their status as top predators in their ecosystem, spectacled bears face threats from other wildlife, particularly when competing for food or territory. Jaguars, for instance, are known to occasionally compete with them. However, due to their elusive nature, spectacled bears often manage to avoid direct confrontations with these competitors. The gestation period for spectacled bears is about 6 to 7 months, which is relatively long compared to other bear species. This extended period of development inside the womb contributes to the bear cubs being more developed and active upon birth. Spectacled bears have an important ecological role in controlling the population of certain species they prey on, thus maintaining a healthy balance in their ecosystem. By preying on small mammals and insects, they help regulate these populations, preventing overgrazing and the spread of pests. In terms of communication, spectacled bears use a range of vocalizations, body language, and scent marking to communicate with each other. They are known to make a variety of sounds, including grunts and snorts, particularly during the mating season or to express discomfort. One of the unique features of their behavior is their tendency to build nests. Unlike other bear species, spectacled bears often construct leafy platforms high in the trees, which they use for resting or feeding. This behavior further underscores their arboreal nature and skill. Climate change poses an indirect threat to the spectacled bear. Changes in temperature and weather patterns can affect the availability of food sources and alter their habitats, impacting their survival and reproduction. The footpads of the spectacled bear are well adapted for their arboreal lifestyle. They have rough pads with well-defined creases, providing excellent grip for climbing trees. Spectacled bears are known to be good swimmers, although they spend most of their time on land. This skill is beneficial for crossing rivers and streams in their mountainous habitats. Research and study of the spectacled bear are challenging due to their elusive nature and the dense habitats they reside in. However, advancements in technology, such as camera traps and GPS tracking, have made it easier for scientists to study these bears and gather crucial information for their conservation. Finally, the spectacled bear's future is intricately linked with the conservation of the Andean forests. Protecting these forests not only benefits the bears, but also countless other species that share their habitat, including many that are unique to the Andes region. If you learned something from this video, please leave a comment below, click the like button, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.